Let's see now how to implement the get user playing games. We can see that game A here in the column GSI status isn't game open, while all others are game playing, or they can be game finished. If this is a user, then we keep information if the user is connected or disconnected, but we can search for some user, for example, James, and see his open games. So in order to get playing games, we need to search for the GSI status to be game playing. Let's go to query. But now we don't want to search here on tic-tac-toe-DB because as we saw, if we select this, then we are only able to query by partition key and sort key, but now we don't need sort key. We need that column GSI status. So let's click on this index LSI status. For partition key, we want user James, for example. We want to search for game playing value. Run, and yes, now we have our game that has GSI status with the value game playing. Now, let's do the same but with Python. Okay, for that we need in our client a method to query, but now we want to query local secondary index, and we need a partition key value and an LSI value. And again, I will just copy paste it. So the same thing, we want to query our DynamoDB client on this table name and LSI status. The same thing that we are selecting here as the index LSI status. In key condition expressions similar to this, we have the partition key, but now we are searching for a different column, GSI status. Again, we can see here GSI status.
For the expression attribute values, the partition key corresponds to partition key value, and the GSI status corresponds to the LSI value.
So now go to the user and have our method, playing games. It will run our DB client and then query by local secondary index, and we want to search for a user, and which user, self.username. So it will be partition key and LSI will be game playing.
Lastly, return the games in the same way as in the get finished games.
Let's go to the app and implement get user playing games. Of course, if we want to search for some username, get a user with that username, and then we want user.get playing games, and we want to return that. We want to save it here. Playing games equals get user playing games for some user, for example, for our James, and let's print playing games, run our application. Of course, there is a problem. Items, it is possible to have more than one item. And yes, now all the playing games for one user, and this user in this case is James.